Da gibt's nichts mehr. Alright. Was ist das für ein Traktor?
You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
Hey, boy! Duck! Er hat Freude. Kann ich dir
Sean's
irgendwas
still
helfen?
working on that fence.
Ah, doch.
Hey, Lee.
Need a hand?
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2x to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Voll easy, machen wir doch.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Ja, ist er ein
Was
Läufer
the
gewesen?
boy one of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger.
Oh, shit.
You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh,
Yep. To shoot
I
one.
had to shoot one.
Oh shit, ich hätte noch
I
einen.
could shoot one. Maybe. If it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built. Dad just wants to keep the family safe and thinks inviting people in is a bigger threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
My brother and parents are in
Sorry, ich muss am wirklich hure schnell lesen und
Ja,
probieren
man, I
herauszufinden,
hope so
was
too.
heisst. Und,
Maybe it's not too bad there.
ja, es ist schwierig, Englisch.
That's probably all I need cut for
Vor allem
now.
noch ein wenig
Thanks.
Zeit. Okay, ich sehe alles, was er braucht. Bitte gern geschehen.
And Sean,
Ich hätte noch sollen sagen, dass ich
thanks
einen
again for
mit,
the ride.
einen mit dem Hammer fertig gemacht habe.
No problem, Lee. Couldn't leave you behind. Anyway, when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Okay. Können wir doch ihm noch helfen. Ich kann immerhin wieder gut laufen. He? Rennen wahrscheinlich noch nicht. Hey Herschel. Herschel Green heisst es, glaube ich.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
I got a
a
ride.
ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a nice plot of land.
Das Blut ist zum Glück
If you told me
verschwunden.
20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was a plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree with that?
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now? Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right.
So
But now
stark
you've got this little
Familie.
girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
Ja,
Yeah.
ich bin im Haus
I was
gesehen.
looking for help in her house.
Help gesucht. Help, Hilf.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
Sure.
Sure.
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning yours, you're gonna be in trouble. But at least you have the common sense to listen to a man giving you advice.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Go! I'll get my gun!
What happened? Oh, shit. Ah, du dumme Bub! Oh shit, was machen wir? Hilf ihm zuerst, hilf ihm! Sorry, dumme Bub, aber das ist ein Mann, der kann helfen und... Hey, Scheiße. Bin ich ein Arschloch? Scheiße, bin ich ein Arschloch? Ah, gut, gut.
I got you.
Eddie! Help, please! Eddie!
No, no, no. Put it away, put it away. Du musst schon wirklich. Steig doch einfach auf den Traktor. Yes, nein, 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 nein. Come on, pull it. Ey, nein! Oh, fuck.
I'm okay, Pop. I'm okay.
I can fix you, don't worry. We'll stitch you up.
Oh, fuck.
It almost got me, man. Lee tried to save me.
I know, son.
Hätte er sich überlebt, wenn ich den Bub gerettet hätte? Oh shit. I better shoot him. Ja, am liebsten würde ich neu laden und den Bub retten. Ich fühle mich so schlecht, dass ich den Bub nicht retten will, aber jetzt... Oh shit.
Get the fuck out of here! I'm sorry. Sorry?
Your son is alive.
You don't get to be sorry!
You tried to help him, but this piece of shit let him die.
Oh shit. It's nobody's
You
fault.
can't blame Kenny.
The hell I can't. You watch your back. Wait until it's your daughter and you need his help. Please. Just go.
Get out and never come back.
Oh shit.
You got that ride to Macon if you want it.
Ah, danke. Also wir können mit ihm mitgehen auf Macon. Das ist immerhin mal ein Anfang. Oh, damn. What's happening?
Well, this is as far as we're going. And it's far enough.
Immerhin habe ich gerade irgendetwas, irgendwo habe ich glaube Store gelesen. Das ist schon mal nicht schlecht, dass man da... Drugstore. Perfekt. Dort hat es alles Mögliche.
Look!
Hey there! You friendly? Truck's run out of gas.
Ah, wir haben kein Benzin mehr. Oh no, he's not friendly. Oh, hell no.
We're trapped!
No. Yeah, wer hat da gegangen? Schau dort, Rauch. Wer hat da gegangen? Hey, Lady!
Run!
Hey, Lady! Thanks a lot! Close it! Yeah, man! Sorry, ich muss schon erst. Oh, Gott sei Dank. Hey, das ist schwer emotional, das Spiel, ich sag's so.
Let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. They could be dangerous.
Ja, das
Worse,
stimmt.
they could have let them right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity?
Wir haben Kinder.
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
What?
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
I bet
Come.
you would.
Then just go.
They've got kids.
Nein,
Lily.
bin ich frech gewesen.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Harley and I just ran out there.
Falsch ist sie ja
It's
nicht.
not wrong. They took a risk.
Yes, we did.
And we appreciate
Hätte ich ihr sollen sagen, wait a minute, wenn sie jetzt allein auf dem WC ist.
Holy shit. Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
Er ist nicht
He
besser
wasn't
geworden.
bitten.
hell he wasn't. We have to end this now. Over my dead body.
Oh,
We'll
wow,
dig
oh,
one
wow,
hole.
wow, wow.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this happen. We let someone with a bite stay in, and we all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out, or smash his head in.
Kenny, stop him!
What do we do about this guy?
Was machen wir? Was machen wir?
It's just a boy. It's...
Lily, I'll handle
Put
this.
your
Hey,
heart
kick
back.
his ass, man. Er ist
You
nicht
need
besser
to
geworden,
calm
glaub.
down.
We kick his ass.
That's what I'm thinking.
Everyone chill the fuck out!
Nobody is doing anything.
Shut up, Lily.
Oh, wow.
And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us, and they will get in here, and none of this will
Aber du bist das
fucking
Arschloch,
matter.
du bist mir unsympathisch.
Right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things.
What the hell are you talking about?
He's bitten. That's how you turn.
He's not bitten. Lee, stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive.
Dad, we get it.
Hey.
It's a big deal.
Do you?
Bist
You're not
ruhig,
fucking
sonst
acting
passiert
like it.
anders.
Sit down. That's it.
You're gonna whoop me? You and what homo parade? This one. That's good. Little boy, before you eat your mommy, you can watch your dad get his nose broken.
I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee!
Yeah?
There's someone in there!
What?
Just locked. Keys behind the counter. Probably.
Nein.
Hey, I'm not
Sie hat
the
gesagt,
bad
dort
guy
ist
here. I'm
einer
just
drin.
looking out for my daughter.
No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid.
He's covered in muck. She'll find the bite. Watch.
She won't.
And if she does, the first thing he'll do is sink his teeth into his mom's face. Then, once she's dead, he'll probably pounce on your little girl. She'll turn fast.
Ja,
Then
du wirst
they'll
mit
be
mir schauen,
free.
wenn es so weit
Then we
ist.
deal with it then. But right now, we're just freaking everybody out.
And
Yep.
get ready to deal with it because that boy is bitten.
Not gonna happen.
It is. And we're tossing him out now.
No, we're not. Hit him, Kenny. Nein, Stop him.
You don't touch that boy. You don't touch anybody. I've got a little girl I'm trying to protect in here, too. You want to get violent, you old fuck? Well, come on! You better have a plan to kill me,
Oh,
though, because
yeah.
it's me before anyone else in here!
Ich hab's gewusst, ich hab's gewusst. Nein, Clementine, weg, weg, weg! There's one in! Oh, man. Was bist du für ein Derp? What? Clementine! Go, save her!
Are you son of a bitch?
Let's hit him in the face! Go! Get off! No, schneller, ich muss meine rechte Hand... No! Oh.
Man,
Oh, ich glaube, man hat es gar nicht geschafft. Thanks, lady.
You okay?
Again.
just great.
Oh, God. Oh, sorry. Ich muss anders her sitzen. Das war nicht das Furzen gewesen.
Everybody down. Stay quiet.
Komm, wir rühren den raus.
Get in. Shut up.
Oh. Yes!
Is that the military?
I don't know.
Thank God for whatever it is.
Uh-huh.
We almost died because of this bitch and her itchy trigger finger. That was stupid. That was... Dad!
Ja, Gott sei Dank, ein Herzinfarkt. Was ist passiert?
What's wrong with him?
It's his heart.
My pills.
Nitroglycerin pills?
Yes, we're out. We've been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
Durchs Büro.
It's
So
probably another entrance. Maybe through the office.
How do you know that's an office?
Educated guess.
It doesn't matter. We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're right. This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown Macon. Fast.
Agreed.
Then I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here.
out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
Du kannst dich raus
You know your way around? Local?
Born and raised.
If you're
Okay.
gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot.
Okay, dann ist es okay. Wenn du da den Schleichweg und alles kennst.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Larry.
Lily and
Keep a
Larry.
good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front
Also komm,
door.
wir vergessen
You're
den
our
hohen
lookout.
Streit, Mann. Es ist alles
Doug,
nur
you
Freakout
got
gewesen.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly, you'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest.
Larry
Good
ist nur ein
shots.
Realist.
I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now get him those pills.
Ja. Alright.
It's not damaged. Glad this place didn't get looted. It's not damaged.
Was
Glad this
ist
place
das?
didn't get looted.
ATM? Was ist das? Ich weiß auch nicht, ist egal. Was man hört? Energy bar? Maybe helpful. I don't know. Hey Clementine, everything alright?
Hey there.
Hi.
Kann ich dir irgendwas
Can
mitbringen?
I get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
I'll see about that.
Ja, wir
So,
müssen sich ein bisschen kennenlernen, aber nicht
are
jetzt
you okay?
eigentlich.
What? Yeah, I'm fine. I just, I'm good.
That's good.
Yeah, I think so. Being good is good, despite the circumstances.
Yep.
Oh, you're so cute. Hast du irgendetwas
Any
gehört
word
von
from
Glenn?
Nothing. Is he okay?
Er ist
Yeah,
gegangen.
I think so. You're doing a good job. We'll
Ja,
sit
ja,
tight.
Lily, wir gehen
Okay.
gerade. Sie hat mich schon wieder so dumm angeschaut. Was ist das noch? Another Energy Bar. Hey, ich weiss nicht, ob ich da so viel... Alles okay? Geht's noch? Okay, through the office. Also komm, schnell, schnell, schnell. Alive inside. Are you sure? I guess no.
I can't think about them in here.